The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall Skilla there again once more, you know. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Big up to all of my Dans and Danettes, you see? You have some information to give to you, and I have some things I want to talk to you about. Alright, now first things first. I got information that many taxi operators withdrew their services and protested in Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica on the 5th of April year 2022 after a taxi operator had been shot and injured by a police officer from within the country that is known as Jamaica. The police shooting incident happened on the 5th of April year 2022, and I got information that the taxi operator had been taken to a hospital for medical treatment. Now, there's a video circulating on social media that shows some things that happened after the taxi operator had been shot and injured during subscribers. And I saw some comments on social media that gave me the understanding that there are a lot of people who wondered and might be still wondering why the police officer shot and injured the taxi operator. Now, I read quite a number of news articles about this whole situation. See? Now, 3 of those news articles that I read gave me different understandings about the situation in parts of those 3 news articles. You see me? Now, don't get me wrong, you know, because there are parts of those 3 news articles that are somewhat similar, but there are parts of those 3 news articles that are just not similar in my point of view. So may I say, now may I give you my understanding that I got about those news articles, and you can tell me what you think. You see me? Now, one of those news articles that I read gave me the understanding that the news article said that the taxi operator had been shot and injured by the police officer after he had committed some form of traffic violation. You see me? I say, I don't know how true that be. Another news article gave me the understanding that the news article said that the police within the country of Jamaica was conducting an operation somewhere within Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica on the 5th of April, the year 2022, when the taxi operator who was driving a motor vehicle had been signaled by a police or by the police to pull over or stop the motor vehicle, and then sometime after the taxi operator stopped the motor vehicle or pull over the motor vehicle, an explosion was heard. That's according to the news article. Now, the other news article that I read gave me the understanding that the news article said that a senior superintendent of police, who goes by the name of Christopher Phillips, said that the taxi operator was being sorted for questioning in relation to an incident that happened last week in which a policeman was hit from his motorcycle by a motor vehicle. The news article also said that Senior Superintendent Christopher Phillips said that the motor vehicle which allegedly hit the police officer was intercepted on Tuesday. That would be the 5th of April year 2022 in the morning. And some form of tussle developed between the taxi operator and a police officer. And during the tussle, or during the struggle or the push and pull, as so some Jamaicans might call it, as I say, the taxi operator was shot and injured by the police officer. See, the news article also said that the police officer was also injured too. Now, when it comes down to the video that is circulating on social media that shows the injured taxi operator, some comments on social media, even comments through WhatsApp, gave me the understanding that there are quite a number of people who are concerned about the taxi operator's health or safety. You see me, I say, now my people, and I real, when me see the video, you know, me I say to myself, say, this man shouldn't be on the ground like that. See me, I say, the man had been shot and injured, so that man should be taken to a hospital for some form of medical treatment. Yes, I may answer to your viewers and subscribers, you see. Now, me not clearly understand why the man had been shot and injured at the time when me see the video first, you know, until me start do some research and then me start get information about the whole situation. And I real, some of the information them mix up. See? But what I'm looking at is that the taxi operator was in handcuffs He had been shot and injured. He's on the ground or the road where motor vehicles drive on, and the sun was hot. See me? The taxi operator was also somewhat leaning or close to a motor vehicle. And let me tell you something, my people. Just when sun hot in a Portmore, me don't know about nobody else, but me don't find it easy to be sitting or even laying on the road or anywhere on the ground when sun hot in a Portmore. So when I see the video, I say, Jano, this man should be taken to hospital ASAP. That me say. But you don't know, me just give you information and make you have some form of understanding about the whole of that situation, the various subscribers. So I say, you can tell me which one of those information you believe and which one you don't believe. As for me, I just go and keep I open my ears and a close eye upon this whole situation. Anyways, next topic. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a female. Now, in the video, the female talked about her mother. You hear me, I say, my people? Yeah, in this video, the female talked about her mother. You understand? If you're subscribers, this female said some things that might be sad for you. Yes, I say? Might be. And in the video, you can hear at least one harsh language. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Look, listen, and observe, my people, and tell me what to think about the things that she said. Observe.
She said the woman will push me out to give birth to me are demons that are wicked. That the woman that sit down upon me and beat me with spike heel and run it through my head. And I twist it so and God make me alive. Somehow no mother no wicked.
Oh.
That the woman that sit down upon me when I weigh 300 pounds and my breath are left out of my body. And beat me for nothing. You're wicked. You're going to suffer till you're dead. I mean, don't care what God say, don't say that about your mother. That me say.
Know people.
The word of God said, children obey your parents in the law, but you go back and say, provoke them not to rot.
See.
Wicked. So if you don't have a good mother, you better love and respect and honor them.
Straight. Straight.
The one that give birth to me are wicked. I remember that woman beat me for nothing. That woman put me out for man. Put me out a door for man. I have man in a bed and me out a door. Me I first pick me for him. The stone where you refuse. See how you are today. The one where you say now come to nothing. See how you are today. The one where you say man fi me out and left me. See how you are today. The one where you say a dog and drunk. See how you are today. The one where you go walk up there to kill, see her here today. The one where you never help at school, see her here. I remember when she did and she have things. We have to thief him money. Justice asking for it. He run me out the house. When man rape me and me go to her and tell her. She look at me and tell me, say they not do good. See her here today. Donna Thomas, see her here. How you first see this? When you right up, see her here. Session on a year. When you're buried. When you condemn your right house and now come to nothing. See her here. You refuse me, but God accept me. See her here. God change our story. You never helped me to school for read. You put me out to man, but see her here today. Look at her today. Look, I miss.
People. That's sad, man. I tell you, that's sad. That really sad. I tell you, man. I tell you. I want to say this to everyone, you know, see, if you is one of those people who have at least one loving mother who did it with you from your just born straight until you're a grown man, give thanks. Even if it's just a loving father, give thanks, because you have some people out there now have none at all. And some people, them have, but the treatment not pretty from them parent or parents. See? I think it take a lot of bravery for this female to say the things that she said in that video. You understand? And there are more videos on social media that shows this female saying other things as well. As I say, Jano, I tell you. Yes, I'm going to leave it now. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Let me know what I think about this entire video that I did. Alright, until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. And big up.